Hey guys, it's TechyTish here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the top 5 AWS courses to land you that DevOps engineer job. So the first course is by AWS themselves, is the Cloud Foundations Learning Plan. So this course is designed to help individuals who are new to the cloud technology. And this is obviously specific to AWS. So if you want to seek an overall understanding of AWS cloud and, sign up to this learning plan and you'll be exposed to all of the foundational AWS cloud concepts. All the links will be in the description. The second one is an AWS Basics for Beginners full course. Now, all of these courses are absolutely free and I'd highly recommend you go through them in order. So this one is going to teach you the basics of AWS right through to advanced cloud computing, and this is great. This is a great all-rounder because it's applicable for beginners and it will take you through the hands-on exercises and you'll be able to not only learn and understand those concepts but also practically apply those skills as well. Right, the next one is this Terraform course. Now, I 100% recommend you use this because this is how you're going to be deploying your infrastructure as code. You're going to be deploying that AWS infrastructure, the infrastructure that you want to get into AWS. So this course will pretty much tell you how to automate all of that, and it will go right from the setup all the way to all of the Terraform files and the resources and variables that Terraform uses to deploy the infrastructure. So the next one is Kubernetes on AWS, and you can see why I've gone in this sort of order, because you want to understand the basics, then you want to understand how to deploy your infrastructure, and then you want to understand about your containerization. So this is where the Kubernetes comes in, and this course again is geared and aimed at beginners. So you want to get hands-on and you'll understand what containerization is, how Kubernetes is used in the AWS platform, and you'll understand how to put those Kubernetes, how to deploy those Kubernetes clusters onto AWS. So once you've got all of those, I would say those 4 courses done and you feel like you understand it, then I would start going into the AWS certified cloud practitioner training. So if you want to get your cloud practitioner certification, this would be the time. If you've already worked as a cloud engineer, then you probably could skip the first few if you've done them and you've already got the hands-on experience, and go straight into the certification. Now, this is a free course and it goes through absolutely everything in detail, and you will be able to be ready to take the exam pretty much after you've done this, and once you've understood those concepts and done a bit of revision, I guarantee you'll be able to pass. So let's have a little look at what this course goes through. So the exam is likely broken down into, if not very similar, stages. So this video is going to go through the cloud concepts, AWS global infrastructure, getting started, hands-on, the EC2 pricing models, billing and pricing. It's going to go into technology overview, security, and variation of study. So and then it's going to summarize it all. So you've got everything there that you need to pass the exam. And just for some further resources, don't forget to check out the AWS site. Here, I'll link this down in the description below, but here you can see all of the AWS certification exams. So let's say you pass your Cloud Practitioner. Maybe you want to do the Developer Next, or you want to do the Solutions Architect, or you want to do SysOps Admin, depending on if you're what you want to do. Now, if I was going down DevOps route, I'd do the Cloud Practitioner, I'd probably do the Solutions Architect, then I'd do Developer, then I'd do DevOps Engineer. So you can see that if you was then to take the DevOps, you could see that there's some free exam guides and some practice question sets that you can obtain from the AWS website. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and that'll mean the world to me. Thank you, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.